Alright, I'm about to open the front door. I'm gonna just look outside. Holy crap. Oh, it's not too bad. It's kind of deep. Look at this snowdrift. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. I just wanted to look. Sorry. Ah. This is ridiculous. This sucks. Oh. Oh my god. Ah. The snow has gotten a lot deeper. I went out there and wrapped the faucets. Dog went out. Look at my leg. Look at that red. Like I got frostbite. You know, see that? I don't know if you can see that frostbite. Y'all ready to go out? You ready to go out, Abby? Ready to go out? Alright, we're going out. Watch this. Hush! I want to watch them. Is it deep, Abby? It's really deep. Look at her hop. She hops like a kangaroo or something. Look at the snowdrift. The snowdrift is really tall. Tonky's playing basketball in the snow. Aww. How cute is that? Hold on, I'm making a video. You guys ready to come in? You guys ready to come in? Hey! Donkey! Call your dogs. Donkey! Abby! Come on! We're playing basketball. Our numbers are down from a normal day. We are running below average in terms of call, which is great news. It means that folks have stayed home. We've only responded to one accident with injuries outside the city limits of Oklahoma City early this morning, and there were no injuries and no transports from that. We've not responded to any. Come on, Goofballs, it's cold. Great news. Come on, Goofy. Stay home and watch this on TV rather than to experience it out in the streets. The problem that we have experienced, though, come on! Get in here. Come on.